Yeah, students often ask me what to write the college essay about, and this is actually one of the biggest things that I work with my clients on is, what are you going to write about? And it's a big question because the college essay really matters for the admissions process. This is an answer that can't be given generally. You have to understand yourself very well, right? I have to know a student for a decent amount of time and really understand their profile in order to give them advice on how to write an essay. But I will say some general tips are that you want to show a little bit more of who you genuinely are. Because other than your essay and perhaps an interview, all universities are really going to be getting from you is a resume, a list of activities, and a few biographical facts. That doesn't really actually allow them to hear your voice at all. So the essays where you can really show them your voice and how you think. So it's important to think about, how do I talk about something that I'm really passionate about? How do I let my voice shine through, right? How do I really show them something about myself in a way that I couldn't through my resume or through, my activities section? That's kind of what you really want to talk about. And, one more point is that you might want to try to emphasize key things about yourself. Think about traits that colleges want to see in a student. So some examples might be, open-mindedness, ability to face adversity, creativity, intellectual curiosity, or anything else really that you can come up with. That's just sort of something to get the ball rolling. But if you can illuminate how these traits are present in you through your life experiences or how you have some sort of unique perspective, that can make for a powerful college admissions essay.